Hello, this is Greg Miller with Vic Alliance, and we are here with Carl Bracken with SafeCut. We're here at the PMEIS show in Pasadena. And today I want to ask you, Carl, about what's going on with SafeCut. What are some of the new technologies that you got to show? And tell me how some of your cutters work out there in the industry.
Well, what we have is dual cutter head systems for cutting the bottoms out of storage tanks. We have the single cutter head units. And then we have the unit that can run 3 cutter heads simultaneously. So what we'll do is we'll cut the width of the plate out 6 or 7 feet with the dual cutter head, come behind that and cut the length of the plate out with the single cutter head. So in effect, we're running all 3 cutter heads simultaneously, and and cutting the bottom out of these tanks very, very quickly. For instance, say a 100-foot diameter tank we can do in about 3 days. So that's a big difference in a lot of other people. And the two things, it's a patented system. We got the patent from Europe in 2007. And the patented system is, the reason it's patented is because we use very little water, less than 1 GPM, and which is a huge thing when you're cutting the bottom out of a tank. And we use up to 60,000 PSI, which enables us to go so fastly, cut the bottom out very quickly. So, and then we get involved in other special applications, such as cutting towers, bullet tanks, spheres, and all sort of different things. So, like I said, it's a patented system, and it's far above any other water cutting service available today.
And the fact that it's water and not like some other cuttings thing with hydrocarbons, it makes it a lot safer, right?
Absolutely, yeah. When you get involved with a tank, especially a tank that's leaking petroleum products underneath it, you certainly can't use a torch.
Right.
So, I mean, for instance, Exxon out in Baytown, they hardly do any torch cutting anymore. I mean, they love the water cutting. So we do a lot of work, and we have master services agreements with most of the major oil companies, and getting more and more with terminals, and as well as petrochemical industry as well.
Right. You guys started in a few states, but Carl, as you've been with this company, hasn't the excitement about this product grown?
Absolutely. The footprint now, we've actually done work in 33 states across the U.S. We have a testing group that tests tanks for leaking, and we're worldwide with that, but we're staying in the United States with the cutting at this point in time.
Okay. And if I was somebody that wanted your services, how should I get a hold of you?
Well, you can just
get a website.
You can go to the website, or you can give me a call, or email me, or text me, or I'm always available.
All your information's on your website.
Absolutely.
It's
safe-cut.com.
All right. Well, listen. Hey, thanks for spending some time with us.
Appreciate it.
A member of the Vic Alliance, we really appreciate you and all your loyalty with us.
And we appreciate you guys.
Okay, buddy. Thank you.